This is GravGrip, the world's first hydraulic stabilizer for your smartphone and action camera. Hi, I'm Kevin, a board sport enthusiast, product designer, and die-hard entrepreneur. I've spent the better part of 3 years developing GravGrip. GravGrip is a pocket-sized, battery-free, waterproof, no-fuss stabilizer designed to be ready any place, anytime. From handmade prototypes to bulky prototypes to many 3D printed prototypes, I'm happy to say GravGrip has become the product I first visioned over 5 years ago. GravGrip operates using its patent-pending hydraulic stabilization system, the first of its kind. Hydraulics, similar to those of a car glove box, are applied to GravGrip's main axis. Fine-tune GravGrip's rotation speed to your liking and easily level your camera's horizon. Let's bring your footage to the next level. Mount your camera in the tilt position to capture those epic ultra-low and high shots, or the roll position to keep a steady horizon. The choice is yours. GravGrip is more than a stabilizer. GravGrip's a tool to capture those angles you've never dreamt possible. A tool to spark creativity in your videos, and a product by your side, always ready for the action. Get ready to explore your world with GravGrip and back us today.
Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. So I was doing research for a different project and I came across this new product on Kickstarter, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Could it be the next fidget spinner? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and back this, and when I get it I'll do another review video, but for now I just thought I'd share it with you guys. Seems like something fun to do, or maybe drive your coworkers crazy, so check it out. I'll include a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
What makes a great backpack? Is it a trendy style that looks good wherever you go? Or is it more about what your bag can do, what it can carry, and how it can keep up with you all day long? Maybe it's about design and function, giving you all the greatest features that keep you organized, powered up, and connected, so you never miss an opportunity. Or better yet, a backpack that keeps you safe. Introducing Dawn by Omnipacks, the first versatile urban backpack equipped with innovative contour lights. With a touch of a button, switch on the contour lights to make yourself more visible with optional flashing modes on the road while riding or walking at night. The ergonomic strap is designed to fit more comfortably than any other bag and reduces stress on your shoulders. The shoulder straps also come with an expandable cell phone pocket with a wide range of compatibility, so your phone can fit snugly while you're on the go. There's even more storage for your AirPods with our magnetic pocket, giving you more convenient accessibility. Adjustable magnetic sternum straps are a breeze to undo. Protective laptop chamber for your work gear. Retractable keychain means you'll never forget your keys ever again. Power up with a hidden retractable charging cable so you always have a full battery. Quickly transform your backpack to a traveler's bag by hiding the straps inside a back panel. Now you have professional-looking luggage for all your travel needs. Dawn is fully expandable, allowing you to pack even more into your bag and keep all your clothes neat and organized when needed. Keep your shoes separated with our handy shoe chamber, and with a snap, your bag is secured. Dawn also comes with a dual-sided laundry cube that keeps all your dirty laundry away from your clean clothes. And a pouch for toiletries keeps everything together without a mess. Turn your Dawn into a professional camera bag with protective cube for all your photography gear. There's even large capacity side storage for tripods or water bottles. Quick access from the side means you'll never miss a great shot. You can also take the protective cube on the go with a detachable shoulder strap. Never let another backpack slow you down. Discover what Dawn can do for you, and we need your help to bring this project to life. Thank you for supporting us.
Team Keychron is back again with our 5th keyboard. Introducing K8, a versatile Tenkeyless wireless mechanical keyboard. Designed with the most favored layout, with all the essential keys that's accessible with ease, but still compact. The K8 is perfect for completing your work, browsing for entertainment, and gaming, while enabling you to customize your typing experience effortlessly. With the K8 Hot-swappable version, you can alter every single switch in seconds without any soldering. Engineered with 2 switch types, the Gateron mechanical switch offers several switch options for an exceptional fingertip feel. Whether you prefer linear, clicky, or something in between, we've got you covered. Crafted for those who demand millisecond precision, you can type and play at warp speed with the optical switches. Compatible with Mac OS and Windows, the K8 is ideal for multitasking. You can connect the K8 with up to 3 devices via the latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip and switch amongst devices swiftly, or connect it to a device with a Type-C cable. A designated Siri or Cortana key can also make life easier. Comes with 15 RGB backlight options to deliver a colorful light show straight to you. 2 adjustable angled rubber feet that allows you to find a comfortable typing angle, and a 4000 mAh battery to ensure a constant power supply. Keychron K8, your ultimate wireless mechanical keyboard.